Hi everyone. Hollywood Joe. Now that sounds like a ride worth taking, and fun is the magic word here. Get ready to witness the artistry of a swinging fender, a true testament to the customizer's craft. Consider it the litmus test for any aspiring customizer. If you haven't tinkered with a swinging fender, you're not quite ready to roll with our guild. Sure, it's our bread and butter, but let me tell you, sculpting a swinging fender is no walk in the park. It's where the real artisans shine, setting apart the amateurs from the aficionados. That's precisely why you won't find a swinging fender in any off-the-shelf catalog. Back in 1984, when Harley-Davidson unveiled the Softail frame, it revolutionized the game, spawning a whole new line of models that still command the road today. Picture this, a sleek, triangular rear section, cradled by concealed struts, seamlessly extending the frame's silhouette, evoking the timeless charm of a classic rigid frame. But there was a hitch, quite literally. The factory-installed rear fender, snugly nestled between the struts, disrupted the smooth aesthetic. It was clear, to keep the Harley spirit alive, a change was needed. And the customizers wasted no time. They dared to defy convention, divorcing the fender from the struts that were once its tether, opting instead to bolt it directly onto the swing arm. The result? A revelation. The fender now hugged the tire like a lover's embrace, mirroring the rigid frame aesthetic while effortlessly swaying with the bike's every motion. This, my friends, is what we affectionately call the flying fender. Of course, this sleek setup does come with a caveat: it's no longer suited for passengers, as the riding experience becomes decidedly more spirited. And therein lies the essence of a custom bike, a machine tailored to the whims and desires of its rider, no holds barred. So, saddle up and brace yourself for a ride like no other. Welcome to the world of customizing, where every curve tells a story, and every fender swings with purpose. Let's dive into the artistry of customization, where every detail counts. Picture this, the meticulous precision of attaching a flying fender down to the millimeter. Why the fuss? Well, consider the variances in factory tolerances and the myriad of wheels and tires that grace the roads of custom bikes. It's a dance of dimensions, and we invite you to witness it firsthand in our workshop. Trust us, the end result is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Our latest project, Hollywood Joe, demanded a fresh set of kicks. Out with the old, in with the new FLH wheels, dripping in a sultry bicolor blend of black and gleaming metal. Say goodbye to the standard 16-inch wheels, we've upgraded to an eye-catching 18-inch rear wheel paired with 200 series tires. The proportions are grand, especially with the discreet relocation of the disc, cleverly tucked beside the pulley. And speaking of sleek, our side license plate holder ensures an unobstructed view of the rear, allowing our masterpiece to shine. Let's talk seating. Enter titanium, a saddle designed to complement the swinging motion of our custom mudguard. Comfort meets functionality, ensuring the rider stays firmly planted, even as the rear end dances to its own rhythm. Now, here's the kicker: the swing arm doesn't actually swing. It's all smoke and mirrors, with rigid springs providing the necessary stability. Why the illusion? We're all about preserving that intimate connection between rider and machine. Up front, we've swapped out the standard 19-inch wheel for a commanding 21-inch FLH wheel. Don't worry about sacrificing handling, a subtle tweak to the fork keeps everything in perfect balance. And to maintain that sleek, monochrome aesthetic, we've bid farewell to the chrome, opting instead for the luxurious DLC coating. Let's not forget the finishing touches. The Hollywood handlebars, adorned with perforated struts reminiscent of the rear fender, add a touch of vintage flair. And with our discreetly integrated indicators, the focus remains squarely on the handlebars, where it belongs. Oh, and did we mention the Jekill and Hyde shorty/cut mufflers? With just a push of a button, you'll be serenaded by that unmistakable old-school growl, paying homage to the rigid frame era while embracing the modern age. Welcome to the new millennium, where tradition meets innovation, and every bike is a masterpiece in the making. Hollywood Joe, tailor-made for the discerning rider. Thanks for watching.